Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and I invite you to crochet amazing project that you can use in everywhere. In my case, I will use it to create jewelry such as bracelet, necklace or belt. Also it could be perfect to create earring. For this project I will use beads and 100% mercerized cotton yarn and 2mm crochet hook. You can use any color of beads or yarn. Here how my cord looks like. It is very stylish and delicate in the same time. Let's look at my hook. As you can see, there are 2 beads on my hook. And I would like to say some words about beads and size of them. All additional information about beads can be found in the description of this video tutorial. You can fit the bead on the hook easily. If you don't have a particular size of crochet hook or size of beads, in this case you just change the hook for your smaller or bigger beads. Please join me and let's get started. Let's crochet the cord. Make a chain of 1, then pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, then make a chain with bead. My chain with bead is ready. Make a chain 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch and make a slip stitch. Continue 1, 2, 3 chains. The number of chains depends on the size of the bead. So insert the hook into the... Now I am working with chain with bead. Into the chain with bead and make a slip stitch into this chain stitch. Let's crochet the second half. Continue, make a chain, work into the chain space, make single crochet. Make 5 single crochet into the chain space. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One side is done. Continue working with the second side. Insert the hook into the chain space, make 5 single crochet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Then insert the hook into the first chain stitch that I did in the beginning, make a slip stitch. So my first cute segment is ready. Here how it looks. It could be perfect for earring or small brooch. It is very easy to make. Let's crochet the next one. Make a chain 1 and 2. Pull up the working loop. At this point, I am joining a bead. Take a bead, put it on the hook, like this. Take the working loop, pull it through, and make a chain with bead. Here what I have. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Here are my 2 chains. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch and make a slip stitch. So let's repeat again. Because my yarn divided on 2 parts, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, make a slip stitch. So the first chain space is ready. Let's crochet the second chain space 1, 2, 3 and insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead, make a slip stitch. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Insert the hook into the chain space, make 5 single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Well done. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch, make a slip stitch, then continue working on the second side. Make 5 single crochet into the chain space. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. I have done 2 segments. This is the back side. You can continue and it will be perfect headband for your girl or bracelet or necklace. Also, it could be nice to create belt. In this case, it will be earring. You can use 1 segment for earring or 2. Let's repeat the segment 1 more time. I continue working on my bracelet, make chain of 2, then pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook. I'm using 2mm crochet hook, and as you can see, my crochet hook fits through the hole easily. Take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain with bead. My chain with bead is ready. Continue chain of 3 for the chain space 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch away from the bead. Make a slip stitch. Continue chain of 3 for the next chain space 1, 2, 3, and now make slip stitch into the chain stitch with bead. So my slip stitch is ready. Pull a little bit. So my base for the next segment is ready. So make 5 single crochet, make a chain, and let's count my single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Then single crochet into the first stitch, make a slip stitch, continue with the 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. The third segment is ready. Here what I have, this is front, this is back. So you should crochet as many segments as you need for your project. Here what I have got, my dear friends. It is cute and in the same time amazing cord that consists of a lot of segments. This stylish cord could be perfect to create jewelry such as earring, bracelet, necklace or belt. Also you can use it as a part in big project. And please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. See you in the next video tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!